one important question people ask is that how can I maintain the result as long as possible so I get the best long-term result? And the long-term result can vary from 7 to sometimes even 15 years or so, but you have to participate in your own care. That means that you eat well, you minimize sun exposure, not avoid it, but minimize it. You take good skin care every day, all day. You do some skin procedures to maintain skin health. You eat well. You minimize drinking. You come and do some minor maintenance things such as Botox or fillers or some other facials. You do great topical skin recommendations that we provide for people. You may need some minor touch-up surgery with lasers or with other minor things to keep up with things as things change. So there's a lot somebody can do if you establish a long-term relationship with a surgeon that you trust.